Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial, and before us is this question, and it reads that find the gradient of the tangent to the curve x squared equals 16y squared at the point 4 and 1. Now let's take note that this is x and this is what? Y. Okay, now this is the curve here. X squared equals 16y squared. Now, considering the fact that we have x and the y variable, okay, now we'll be differentiating this function implicitly, okay. All right, so here we have the x, and that is with respect to x, okay, then equals d now with 16y squared. Okay, so moving further, now differentiating x squared, here we have 2x. Now take note that here the variable here is y. So for to differentiate this term here with respect to x, now we have 16, then times differentiating y normally, you have, y squared, normally you have 2y. Okay, now but because this is y here, we will include the y over the x. Okay, so here you have 2x equals 32y, then dy over the x. Okay, now let us divide both sides by 32y. So by doing so, here we have 32y over 32y. This eliminate this. Now 2 here 1, 2 here 16. Okay, so we are left with, and if we are to arrange this equation, making dy dx the sort of relation, you have that dy all over the x then equals, here we are left with x then all over 16y. Take note, at x equals 4 and at y equals 1. So let us do that. X here is 4, then all over 16 times 1, now giving us 4 all over 16. Now simplifying further, 4 here 1, 4 in 16, that will be 4, that will be 1 all over 4. Final answer. If you love what I've just done, kindly like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.